I like having a designated point person within the company that I know when I reach out to her, she's going to take my issue and make sure that the problem gets solved. I'm Cami McCall with Ambition Media, and I represent Platinum Pre-Owned and Platinum Mitsubishi. All I need to do is shoot her a quick email. I always get a response right back that she's on it. And then before long, she tells me that support has taken care of it. So it's just nice to know that once you have an issue, you don't have to wait too long to hear back or to see action taken on it. And oftentimes, if I have a phone conversation with her, the changes are made before we even get off of the call. I like how we do constant reviews of everything. So whether it be the website or whether it's the Amazon ad campaigns, we're always touching base with, dealer eProcess and myself just to make sure that what we're doing is optimized, especially on the website side. If the reps are seeing other dealerships have success with certain call to actions or certain templates or even color schemes and things of that nature, photographs on the website, they're letting us know, hey, this is working really well for this person in this market. It might be something to consider. It's nice to have just that constant feedback and just to know that, okay, somebody else is paying attention to this and it's not just me. I've got someone that actually cares about it being successful, and then they can pass along best practices and give us, little tips and tricks for how to maybe do a little bit better at what we're doing. One of the reasons, the catalyst for us switching providers is that it doesn't feel like it's being set and forgotten about. Like a lot of digital vendors that I worked with before, I feel like they set it and forget it. Once they get your budget, they sort of just set it. They hope for the best. They either hope that you don't understand enough to ask questions or to bother them, or they just assume that everything is okay. And I get the sense that working with Dealer eProcess, that someone always has their finger on the pulse of what we're doing. For me, just a more of a hands-on approach, more accessibility. I have a handful of people at Dealer eProcess now that I know if I need something, I can call them, and I there's no hesitation with the Dealer eProcess. I like the people that I get to deal with, and I see the return on the investment. Someone's going to answer and get back to me immediately.